Thank you. Hello, it's Tuesday. Just came back from lunch. Soon I'm gonna be heading still a little sick. Soon I'm gonna be heading off to Lappeenranta, which is very close to the Russian border. We have some interviews to film there. Gonna be the rest of the day there. It's gonna take 2.5 hours, I think, on a train. 2.5 hours back, so I'm gonna be pretty late getting back. But right now, I need to record voiceover for, I don't know, something. I'm doing voiceover for this thing that Henko wants me to do, and I need to use a Duke Nukem voice. Yeah, okay, so.
Clean, fresh, tantalizing, majestic, powerful, fast, easy, winning, mind-blowing, next level.
Yeah, I think that's it. Stop at the pharmacy before we head out. I totally forgot the nasal spray from home. My nose is already starting to get stuffed up, so this will make my trip 100% better. Now I gotta find Sadie. Where did she go? All right, getting on the train now. Found Sadie. This is gonna be a long train ride. It's gonna be 2 hours. And then 2 hours back, and we're only there for like an hour and a half, so that somehow seems a little wrong, but you know. It's the job. Train now. Sini's somewhere back there. Somehow we didn't get seated together, but that's okay. I'm still gonna do some work and try to figure out what nice things there are to do on a train for 2 hours. And we're done.
A man never knows when he may be inclined to make a fool of himself.
Maybe that's not a bad idea.
Oh, what's the difference? One picture is as good as another.
Alright, we're back to Helsinki now. The shoot went well. We weren't there for very long, but we got what we needed. Wish I could show you and tell you about it, but I can't. It's classified. I'm not trying to be cool or anything by saying that, but it is.
You're flying on a thief to talk about honor.
Taxi just dropped me off. I'm at the office now, dropping all the gear. Oh man, it's gonna be a long night. Then I still have to go home, but before that, I have to pick up the bike from the bus stop, which I remembered magically. I wonder if I'll remember it by the time it's time to get it.